What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Hope y'all are all doing fantastic today. Got a brand new video, exhaust and POV drive in the same thing. The main reason I'm doing this is because the last video I did with the exhaust, I didn't really do anything showing it off. I kind of just started it up and that was it, because I kind of didn't really have any time. But finally, I've got it. It's broken in and I'm gonna do a full-on exhaust video. This is for anybody that's thinking about buying this. This is your full guide for it. Also, between that video and now, I'd like destroyed the exhaust and had to get it fixed right there. But it's back on now. Also, I had the turn down tip. We got the regular extendo tip on there now. Looks pretty good in my opinion. Cold start the day that I'm editing the video because I failed to do it earlier. Alright guys, I think I found a decent enough spot to give y'all some revs at different RPMs like 3K and 5K. Before we get started, I just want to say, just make it clear that I have the Greddy GPP RS race exhaust, not the Revolution. The Revolution has a resonator in the mid pipe. This one does not. It is a 3-inch from the Y pipe back, and then the Y pipe is 2.5. So that's what we're working with. Oh, also, I have stock cats and stock headers. So engine mods is literally just the catback exhaust, just so y'all know. So if you're thinking about getting this and you have test pipes, it's gonna be louder, most likely, and will sound different. So just be aware of that. I just rewatched that clip and I have a rattle. Listening to that clip, it sounds so bad from the back. But that was 2,500 and then about 3,500 and then 5K. Might do some more. There's kind of a guy eyeballing me over there. So I don't know if he's gonna kick me out or not. So I didn't want to be too loud, even though there's literally nobody here. I think he's just doing landscape or he's like a park manager or something. But I'm gonna put the GoPro on my freaking head and we're going to rip down this road because it's a nice road to drive on around here. We don't have too many good ones, but this one's pretty good. So I'll do it like windows down, just freaking going ham inside the car. And then after that, I'll stop and get gas at this gas station. Then we'll go to another spot where I can do like flybys and I can set the camera up and do like some nice flybys, kind of like the last one I did with the Rev 9 exhaust. Hope the footage is good with the POV thing. I tried it. The quality's not the greatest. It's a Hero 7, but I didn't have to pay for it. I'm kind of borrowing it from a friend. So it doesn't really matter if it's free. So let's get into it. All right, this is the POV. Looks pretty good. I think this is a pretty decent angle. So y'all can see me shifting, everything like that. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good, not tilted. Pretty good angle. All right, let's freaking get it, y'all. I do wish I could change the exposure. It looks really bright out here. One thing with this exhaust, and I think most exhausts that I've had before it's warmed up, it really sounds kind of weird. So this is the exhaust. We're going about 55 miles an hour, 6 gear. There's no drone. It's really not that bad. The only thing I will say is when you're going 70 plus in 6 gear, this exhaust does drone a lot. So if you do not like drone, this is not the exhaust for you. I won't lie. I'm not gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna play it off like it doesn't drone. For me, it's not a big deal. I kind of got used to it at this point. My young years don't really care that much. But if you want a very tame exhaust going 80 miles an hour, this is not it. Like, it drones like a hoe. So just be aware of that. this really sucks. I guess I'm gonna let him pull off a little bit. I don't know. Hey, brother. Pulled off finally. I think the GoPro cooled down, so let's get it. There we go, that was a little better. Actually got to give her some beans. All right, we're back at Fannin Landing. Got my baby Brett here.
What's up, boy?
And he's gonna film some rollers for me. I guess they're not technically rollers, but just, you know, driving shots.
The car's rolling.
The car is rolling. It's just I don't have a tripod, so Brett's my tripod today. And that is where I ended my vlog. I hope that was a good enough video to showcase off the Greddy exhaust. I love it personally. It does drone when I'm going on road trips, but I'm kind of used to it. I just turn my music up. But besides that, I love it. It's the perfect exhaust. I can't wait to get resonated test pipes and some headers, intakes, and one day tune it, shoot flames. but that's for a later date. Right now, sounds perfect to me. As you are watching this, it should be May 6th. It's kind of a late upload, but it's up. Tomorrow, May 7th, is the Unconditional Brand Opener Meet. So if you are seeing this and you plan on coming, it is tomorrow. So hop on that. I'm not going to have a website up this drop, though. I will have it up for sure next drop. I've been trying to get stuff together and I haven't been able to. So that's kind of why I don't have it. If you are watching this and you wanted to buy something but you don't live in Mississippi, hit me up on Instagram at either my main Kirk C. Walker or Oopsy34, and we can set up something. Just PayPal me, Venmo, anything like that, and I can send you your stuff in the mail. But once I have a website, obviously, you'll just be able to go to the website, blah, 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 and then you'll get it that way. Besides that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below what you think about the exhaust. Again, I love it, but let me know your thoughts. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.